still haven't finished the office, so that's what we're gonna do today. If you're new here, my name is Storm, and I help people DIY their lives into whatever they want to make it by showing you how to do different DIY projects. Today's DIY project is hair. So, shout out to Sadie, my very best friend, who showed me how to do this hairstyle. I love it. Makes me feel like a beautiful princess goddess. So, I get tired of my hair being around my face and my neck. I get hot, especially in the summer, and I just feel like a beautiful girl when I have my hair up. So that's what we're gonna do. Start with a scrunchie. Oh, wait. You start with sectioning off your hair. Just like a little bit in front of your ear, I don't know. I just go with it. You're going to put this as a high pony right in the middle of your head. Here's step one. Now we have to find another hair tie. You just make it into a little donut inside your head. You're just going to bring that hair tie around the top until you have a little ball on the top of your head. Like that. And then you're going to get all of your bobby pins, which I need to find mine because I don't know where they're at. And we're going to secure all of this up. So you want to leave all this down. I'm just going to cover up the hair tie with a couple pieces. Make it a secret. Make you think that I tied my hair up with my own hair. Now we're going to take these little strips. You're going to pin it underneath your little tendrils in the back. And you're going to have this little piece right here. I'm going to do the same thing. Leave some bangs down, just a little. Ow. That's my eyeball. And cover up those bobby pins. Then we do the other side. Just getting some loose pieces tucked in. It should be messy, but you can adjust it however you want so that it's not too messy, not too clean. Here's the finished look. Looks so cute with a strapless shirt. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this tutorial, and let me know if there's any other stuff you guys want to see. I'm gonna finish my office today, and we'll upload the progress. Life is busy. Y'all know how it is. Hope you guys are doing well.